He is a man who taught discipline through rhythm, unity through harmony, and excellence through every beat, and confidence through every performance. Bilang bandmaster, he didn't just train musicians, he built teams that move as one and inspire pride in every parade and performance. He also transformed sound into spirit and performances into pride, leading generations of students to march with confidence and purpose. Please welcome the mind behind the music and the heart of our campus, the maestro, Sir Alfredo Bobby
Ira
Incunado.
sa tanawon mo mago. Last day ko. Si Amelia, no?
Okay, sunod. Ikaw? Ako?
Ikaw na.
Ako daw?
Ipaulay nilang babae ka.
Ako? Sunod? Ano sa bird?
Our second honoree is a mentor whose passion for science sharpened young minds and whose command of language gave voice to ideas.
Ikaw.
A teacher
Science.
who proved that
Science
equations
man.
and expressions, experiments and essays can all be instruments of learning.
Science.
She is an educator
She.
who demonstrated that curiosity and communication go hand in hand, where experiments in the laboratory and expressions in the classroom. She
Oh, tunga, goro ka.
analytically and speak clearly. A teacher whose years of service have nurtured both logic and literature in the hearts of students. Ladies and gentlemen, our dedicated science and English educator, Miss Marilyn Salizana Espejo.
Our third honoree is a leader whose vision helps steer the institution through the evolving world of technology and innovation, thus transforming education in the digital age. As Associate Dean of the College of Computing Studies, he balanced administration with mentorship, policy with compassion, innovation with responsibility, guiding both programs and people towards progress. Please welcome a leader whose legacy is written not only in systems and structures, but in lives transformed through leadership. Engineer Kristen V. Batayanon Partosa.